Guys, the wheels are ready. It was a rather quick turnaround, but I did not lose in any quality, at least from the best of my knowledge, as best as I can judge these wheels. As you'd expect, the rear doesn't look as perfect as the front, well, because it's usually hidden away from view, but still, you can tell there was a significant amount of attention to detail in the workmanship over here. I like what it did. I usually had reservations in the past about, how you paint wheels and whatnot on the backside. Then I received a set of brand new wheels and I saw how they look on the back and stopped worrying about it. So you can still see the key numbers and everything. The size, 21 by 9.5. That's a Nissan something there. No, that's not the part number. Should be 10 digits. Offset 50. It's in there. Offset 50. But there you go. The color was not changed drastically. I think it's a pretty nice color. It should work well with a lot of different options. I'm gonna grab the pillow and set it down. Yeah. We're moving. On the move. Okay, option 1. That's the color against the black of the M56. Okay, we're on the move again. Grab my pillow. And I'll set it against what color is that? It's not just plain gray. That's what it's bound to look like when I mount it on. There is a total difference in workmanship between this and whatever it is that was done on those wheels. Really have no idea what they were going for there. So I am happy. Oh, now that the sun is shining on it, you'll notice the flakes just a little bit. These wheels look so good. I might post them up for sale just to see what I can get for them. I know how much they go for brand new. These are not brand new wheels, of course, but man, I am pretty pleased with the outcome. Just wanted to show that. So I'll take better pictures later. Ever since I learned that my phone can actually do tricks like editing without using any one of those programs or apps that have watermarks on it. Here you go. This is what all 4 of those wheels look like. I'm gonna box them up. Maybe I'll get different boxes from larger boxes that will allow me to put more padding. But for now, this is gonna be good for storage. I could not immediately locate the center caps that I removed. They're probably buried deep in the nether regions of the garage, so I'll get to them later. But there you go.